everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a kawaii panda charm using cold porcelain clay. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and let's get started. So first off, take some white clay and roll a piece into a ball for the head. Use your fingers to shape this into an oval shape. Next, make tiny balls of white and black clay and use glue to attach these on the head for the ears. Gently press them down. Use a dotting tool to create two indents for the eyes. Take tiny pieces of grey clay, pinch them down using your fingers and place them onto the indent. Now use the dotting tool again to re-indent them. Now put in two balls of black clay for the eyes and also attach two tiny snakes of clay between the eyes for the mouth. And also attach the tiny little nose. Use pink chalk pastels for the cheeks, and now you're done with your panda's head. Now for the body, you want to take some white clay and shape this into a cone with either sides flat. Use glue to attach the head to the body. Now take tiny balls of black clay, roll these into teardrop shapes and then attach these to the body for the arms. I also wanted to attach in a little strip of black clay to the front and also at the back. For the legs, roll out tiny balls of white clay into teardrop shapes and attach them. For the tail, I'm simply attaching on a ball of white clay. Now lastly, take an eye pin, cut it to size and bend to secure. Use the needle tool to create a hole at the top of the head of the panda and put in the eye pin in. Now you want to let your charm dry for 24 hours, and after that you want to take a paper clip, insert the panda in, the eye pin side, and glaze it. Now I want to let the glaze dry and then you'll be done with it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.